What is bad about being down and out?
It can lead to loss of motivation. When you feel hopeless or stuck, it's easy to lose the drive to improve your situation. This can create a cycle where you stop trying to reach your goals. It affects your mental and physical health. Being in a job situation for too long can lead to stress, anxiety, or even depression. It can also make you neglect basic self-care, affecting your overall well-being. And the last is, it can isolate you from others. People who feel down and out sometimes withdraw from family and friends. This isolation makes it harder to get the emotional support needed to get back on track. So, my friends, life has ups and downs, and even when you feel down and out, remember that difficult times don't define you. Keep moving forward, seek support, and never stop believing in your ability to grow and create a meaningful life. Bisous!